Yes, people, this is another episode of Diawarrior Music History, and this is part 10. And in this episode, we're going to feature Jamaican and Munga Honorable performing live on the Gallop party, show that I did in Portmore, and that is 2003. Also, we have a studio session by Star Trail, with same Jamaican, same way, and determined. You understand? And we're going to feature a video that I was looking for 19 years. Music video with Frisko Kid, the Gallop song video. I'm going to give it to you today on the Diawarrior Music History. Check it out.
We don't stand up artists to work and things. But you see the one when the Eden them are going, them know say the running says speed. When the Eden them are going, them know say them can't defeat you, Check it out. Every time. Rastafari now. Yo, check it out again. Check it out. Airport more. Yo, who makes you them a one? And them can't defeat me. Him and me will preserve and keep me. Me see you them a one. And them can't defeat me. Nothing they force him and that them reach me. But who them a one? And them can't defeat me. Him and me will preserve and keep me. Me see you them a one. And them can't defeat me. Nothing they force him. What are they? Watch out them back. Mr. Spraggle Ben, I'm going to say it one more time. This is the other people when we have bad mind, want to feel like four more people think of themselves. All the girl them, on the line. You see, I don't not sell out, sing it. Say me couldn't be a traitor, me not sell out. Black people heritage, we not sell out. Come and vote more and say we not sell out. We not sell out, we not sell out. Stand up on the back and feel me now feel it out. But up in that lion got me not ready out. Now pour me last me send me not ready out. Them can't take the ganja yo, them can't smell it out. So they drink it for white if can't wear it out. I want me to read that say it can't wear it out. Righteous words that come out of me mouth. I know what love blessing is, I want to hand us out. So look to the black woman, they can't live without. The activity of them thinking can't find it and let me telepathical linking them up in Patuza. Have a big things in the city. The sweet, the water me drinking, where I am me holy ground, me see the then them thinking, no one can go Zion. She said them limping, feel rusting and post were really hurting. I'm like, yo, this, but that's how we know what's up. You're gonna go believe. I want to shut up the thing for the princess then. I don't know if that big up on them thing. Yeah man, who are you last year? Rastafari now. Who are you man, who are you? Yo. Yo. We're not And the brother, you understand? From out of the door to the other out. Nothing I lost to the salute to you, Gandhi, see you, see respect God, you understand? The song like Jingo.
Yes, people, show wasn't normal. And you don't know me, I have to big up some of my brethren them and musicians them will help support me. You know, even on the show there. You don't know Rupert Mackenzie, bass player. You don't know Ferran, guitar player. Yeah, I think it was Squidly playing drum. You know, mid up on the keyboard to see him where. You understand? Big up Dan Reddish and Big George, you know. My brethren them where just come and help support the thing and make the thing happen. I don't know now, you know, in the music production same way, you know, I do recording with Jamaica same way and Determined. And this is like July 17, 1999. You see me, I said 23 years ago. So, want to show you we went to the Star Trade studio. You know, and there's a bubble they have the Star Trade studio by the plaza down on like I had to do in the park and there tasties. Our plaza upstairs is a Star Trade studio. And you have the engineer Newton. You understand? Big engineer, right? We used to do a lot of work on the Star Trade studio. So check out one of the sessions, you know. This is me at the Star Trade studio and them time they are 2-inch tape. So we used to have to put on the tape on the machine and run the tape to the end and then you rewind it back again and play it, because you know, normally I play it regular so you don't want the tape stick up together. You understand? So I put on the tape on the machine and you know, kick off the session. Check it out. Okay. So you mix up bad, you mix up bad tune?
Me? Oh yeah, not bad tune. Taya! Yeah. I look so the Rasta.
Is a feature.
See, I?
Yeah?
Yes, you know, it's bad. The seminar camera up here.
Who you?
Where though?
You're engineer, you how many much tune you see up on? I jump up and down in there. Where you don't Black Scar base there?
Me?
Yeah.
You don't know Black Scar,
Yeah, man.
What line?
You're mixing board, man. And DJ and you're mixing board.
Ooh, which DJ that?
Yeah, you know, when you're up on the studio session, them, you know, sometimes you have different artists to pass through, or, you know, you have one of my big singer friend, you know, named Iyashanti. I think him the voice man ready him to see him where, you know. But he must have passed through. Check out Iyashanti at Star Trade Studio. Me and I will go and mix the rhythm and I go and set the project again, you know, to move to the next stage.
Kingston, we know we go with them, we know where we come from. One pants, one shirt, and they pour down them mum. We not rubber stars, and a bam, but them can't stop we now. As long as the music rock, tika, and I mean, look at people. Rush it up like a man, they will fall. We not really in that, them can't stop we now. As long as the music rock, tika, and I mean, look at people.
Yeah, and same way on July 16, 1999, when we there start trailer do a session same way. You don't know me, a man more time, I like video different scene and video different thing and go outside and then start video the place, you understand? Just get some to capture some little scenes, see a girl at the bus stop and them thing there. But you know, when we do out there, I video them something more time. You know, you catch all different things with the atmosphere at the moment. Just like when they start trail and You know, I take a stack of who that me see I come. La Vasca. You understand? That's one big artist from Miami. We have a song with him. I messed up. You understand? I messed it up. I messed up, I think. You know, and then also him and Tyrus Riley was a good friend. So him and Tyrus Riley are part see him when say you can check them out. Yeah man, and you don't know where they are Star Trade Studio, I put in the work, see we understand a voice, and this is the session now with Jamaican. And you don't know, so we have to do some work with Determined to the studio, so Determined come through and Determined come through with him family, you know. Him carry Runkus and his wife Paula, you know, and when I'm next daughter and thing, you know, come through, cause, you know, it's family support to see him. You say you can get to see Runkus from him young, cause right now Runkus a big artist and do him thing, you understand? So check out the studio session.
Them start realize, tell them this a one and no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize what the energy when man not energize. Word sound and power come through free speech for no righteousness. I coulda what that to a teach, so me but no better, yeah. Cause him a liar than thief, a propaganda pastor preach. Me turn up the fire, and me go burn them each. Emmanuel tell me say fi do it, Rasta go in fire. You da drop down if you see it. You see we get to youth them asleep. Me I suck the banana, make the youth them seat. I try all of them a retreat, so the youth them wise. Rise, start to realize. Tell them this a one and no surprise. Determine a rise, wise. Start to realize that's what the energy when man not energize. Wise, rise. I raise them, wise them, start realize. Watch your energy where them are. When they use them wise, rise, start realize. Energy where them are, energy where them are energize. Hold on the youth, them Babylon and them are hold on the fire, it red. But it gonna get cool down, just like a wheel. They made it a go road down Sunday, big on the yam bus like a June. From them I wonder if a bomb. Them get hit by the dumb, them friend I get cut off before the month done. Both them about them can't take it fire bun. Babylon a rock from the poor in a lonesome. You can't take the artillery from a handgun. Woman, but see you them rise, start with your dice. Wait, say nobody a take it.
Yeah, man.
I'm not ready yet, man.
You ready to step on the rest?
I'm not right here.
No matter. No matter.
You ready again?
Alrighty.
Alright, you want you tell me when you're ready?
Yeah, man, ready. Free speech. Yeah, man. I tell me it's not make them notes arise, the youth them arise from a slum, you know? Now play this right now done. Hey, I just try all of our bring coming up. I tell me, you use them wise, rise, start realize. Tell them this I want no surprise. They use them wise, rise, start realize. That's what the energy where them are energize. You use them rise, wise, start realize. Tell them this I want no surprise. They use them wise, rise, start realize. That's what the energy where them are energize. Yes, they use them up be wise. Babylon a hold down. What's a this a fire make fatigue and cool down. Just like a wheel, they made it a go roll down. Sunday be a go the yam bus like a June. From them I wonder if a bomb them get hit by the dumb. Yes, them a get cut off before all the month done. Them a ball bout if fire can't take it fire bun. Rob from the poor and take it in a lump sum. Can't take your artillery, your bombs and gun. Give me the sweet kettles on the youth. Them rise, wise, and them realize. Tell them this I want no surprise. They use them wise, rise, start realize. The energy where them are energize. Me see them wise, them rise, them start realize. Tell them this I want no surprise. They use them wise, rise, start realize. That's what the energy where them are energize. Word sound and power. Yeah, come again, man.
I might die a little bit here.
Yeah, that's right there. Right there. Yeah. Just whiz wise. Watch for the youth come rise. Yeah, man, rise up the youth them out of the slum. Them not the time to play deaf now, dogs. They use them wise, rise, start realize. Tell them this I want no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize what's the energy when them are energized. They use them wise, rise. Start realize, tell them this a no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize that's what's the energy when them are energized. They use them, I feel rise them up. Come on, you know. Start realize, tell them this a no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize that's what's the energy when them are energized. They use them, I feel rise them up. Start realize what's the energy when them are energized. They use them wise, rise. Start realize, tell them this a no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize that's what's the energy when them are energized. If they use them up, rise and Babylon and try hold them. Well, the fire red and Vatican and get cool down. Just like a wheel, they make this a go roll down. Sunday be a gully and bust like a June drum. Them a one eye for bam. Correct is a dumb them a get cut off before all the month done. Bow them a ball, can't take it for your bun. Babylon rock from the poor in a lunch. So can't take artillery, your pumps and your handgun. Bubba man, better go and be the getter from the youth, them wise, rise.
Some verse there? Yeah. Lick it back again, you don't do it up there.
It's a one and no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize that what's the energy when them are energized. Yes, so them are you never been and not try hold them before you get red. But you gonna get cold them just like a wheel. They make it a go roll down Sunday. Be a go the young bus like a tune from them. I wonder if a bomb. A it is a dumb them bones to get cut off before the month done. Bout them a ball. Can't take it for your bun them rap from the poor. I rap it in a lunch. Some no want no artillery, no bombs, no handgun. Give me the sweet content on the youth, them wise, rise. Start realize, tell them this a one and no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize just what's the energy when them are energized. They use them wise, rise. Start realize, tell them this a one and no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize the energy when them are energized. Well, the word sound power true free. Come on in there. Wise, rise. Start realize, tell them this a one and no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize the energy when them are energized. Well, word sound fire, me say true free speech, righteousness. If I know that you are, come again, man. Rise, start realize, tell them this a one and no surprise. They use them wise, rise. Start realize that's what the energy when them are energized. Well, word sound power. That's what the energy when them are energized. Well, word sound.
Yeah, and you don't know, saying at them times the two, you know, that work on determined album, one called, you know, Go Through That. And this is the song when they Weep Not put up on the album, we did the studio, record the song live. You understand? We write the song and I record at the same time, you know, and I'm change up the lyrics and I get the right lyrics and everything, you know. The Newton and the engineer same way and, you know, not change. So we did our work on the album. Check out Weep Not, Determined.
Better tomorrow, cause them youth now get straight by in a double mouth shooter. Them no want no one pop no soon or Luga. Your youth now get straight by them boot ya. Yeah, get the meditation make them boot ya. When I no lager but neither no jackfruit ya. But don't miss a loota, and you're gonna weep not. Cause the wicked time has come. It's well seek facts. I never seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and hunger. Me are gonna weep now, cause the wicked time has come. Black man seek facts. I never seek no big gun, but what's the judgment and hunger? No time for ball. Make me go rise once the one for all. Keep with the listen. Come on.
Right after the punchline.
Yeah.
Where you about to out there?
Come again?
Where you about to start?
The exit. Everything they feel a better tomorrow. Cause them youth now get straight by in a double mouth shooter. Them no want no one pop two nor Luga. Them youth now get straight with both melon or jackfruit. But don't miss a loota, and you're not gonna weep not. Cause the wicked time has come. Israel seek facts. And I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment turn on. We are gonna weep now.
Where's that?
Yeah, go on.
Where's that?
See him, please. Shooter, them no one pop two nor Luca. Them youth that not get them by them suit. Can't take them meditation with them boot. Man I no like a head but night and no chuck fruit. Empire Selassie I the only dope. So you me song, me am gonna weep now. One. Alright. One.
See a place.
Yeah. One pop two nor Luca. Them youth that not get them by them suit. Can't let them meditation make them boot. Man I no like a head but night and no chuck fruit. And no one pop two nor Luca. They no dumb man and no roast. Come again, man, no meditation make them boot. Man no dumb man and no roast red fruit. What do them youth? And I tell them weep not, cause the wicked time has come. Israel seek facts, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and
Punchline.
Dumb man and no roast red fruit. What do them youth? And I tell them weep not, cause the wicked time has come. Black man seek facts, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and me are gonna weep now, cause the wicked time has come. Israel seek facts, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and no time for ball, rise and shine now, once and for all, slaughter the...
Yeah, man. I don't know, so when you do the studio session, you know, some of the time it take time. You go over and try to get the right lyrics, or try to get in the right space and everything, and you know, if you're listening back on them thing, you know, all our mates on it and them thing, so it take time, so we have to just stay in there and work on the song. Still I work on the song, same way. Weep not.
Paul. So we are dashes. Time has come. Israel seek fast, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and come rise and come make me stand up. It's gonna be a judgment and no longer gonna weep now, cause the wicked time has come. Israel seek fast, and I go seek no big gonna be a judgment and stand up tall, rise and shine now once and for all. I'll seek fast, and I go seek no big gonna be a judgment and stand fit and tall, don't know make no man tell. Weep not, cause the wicked time has come. Israel seek facts, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and yeah, man, same place. And I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and time to stand tall, rise and shine now once and for all. Time to stand tall, rise and shine now once and for all. Come watch them in me. Alright, and Israel seek facts, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment. Say man a mama warrior, ain't no make no obstacles, there no barrier. Stop me from the wicked time has come. Israel seek facts, and I go seek no big gun. Come again. Come on a mama warrior, now make no obstacles. And I the wicked time has come. Israel seek fast, and no go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and man a warrior, just stop them youth, we burn our barrier. Hey, them a be like when it up to the carrier. Slave black people, you get beat no warrior. Long time you tell them. A big gun, a bigger judgment and me are gonna weep now, cause the wicked time has come. Israel seek fast, and I go seek no big gun, a bigger judgment and man a warrior, just stop them youth with no fence nor barrier. Come again, the youth with no fence nor barrier. Yeah, man. Then you tell me no face star barrier. It's well see facts. And not go seek no big gun and big judgment and anger. Man a warrior, can't stop them out a window fence nor barrier. Yes, them have a life on it up, they a carrier. You know say you see a black people. Again, you know say them have a life on it up, they a carrier. Slave black people, enslavement and anger. Slave carrier. They a carrier. Yeah, can't stop them out a window fence nor barrier. Tell them a big life on it up, they a carrier. Face black people, get beat no for, come on. Slave black people, them you get beat no for real. Yeah, can't stop them out a window fence nor barrier. Tell them a big life on it up, they a carrier. Slave black people, get beat no for real. You not go push me no more in a black marine. Come again. You not say you not push me no. Come again. Slave black people. Do we get beat no for ya? Fuck this one. It's gonna be a judgment and anger. Man a warrior. Can't stop them out a window fence nor barrier. Tell them a big life on it up, they a carrier. Slave black people do not get beat no for ya. Look how much innocent truth in black man. Nothing innocent truth to no push it. Maria. You know black Maria. It's well see facts. And not go seek no big gun and big judgment and anger. Man a warrior, can't stop them out a window fence nor barrier. Tell them a big life on it up, they a carrier. Slave black people, do not get beat no for real. Slave black people.
Yes, people, you don't know that at the studio session. And right now, I'm going to tell you, say, we look for that video for 19 years with Frisko Kid, Gallop song, you understand? And I have to feature another thing, because 19 years I look for it, people, I tell you. And this is diawarrior music history. I'm going to drop Frisko Kid, Iyashanti, Monarchy, Gallop song. Check it out.
piece of me.
Boy, drink a warm taste how the answer.
You know, stand me right to the girl of the zone and they mash me up, king.
Which part?
You know, somewhere down there so big.
You know what? Yeah, man, crazier than them. Me alone to take the man. Let me teach them girl you something. Oh, Gary say like me prefer. Pass from the saddle. Are you ashamed, Monarchy? Whoa! What me say? That one them name Gallop. Gallop. Gallop, shoulda you Mr. Lee and a gallop, 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 shoulda you Mr. Lee and a gallop, gallop, gallop. Alright then, riding through the girl them sound me alone. Well bulletproof down on my pistol ground. And the girl there test me, she get show down. And the girl let it be down, yeah. Meet me half a tree when me touch down. You should have seen me a ride all day, ride all night. Fast on bicycle, fast on bike. Ride through darkness, ride through light. But girl, they put up some serious fight. Run through matey, run through wife. Every girl want get a hold of me life. Feel so happy, feel so nice. Under me chalice and me Smirnoff ice. Turn on jockey, turn off jice. Run fatty breathless more than twice. And then I wanna come by the roll of the dice. Shop like a guillotine, a slice me a slice boy. Riding through the girl, them sound me alone. Well bulletproof down on my pistol crown. And the girl there test me, she ground, let it be known, yeah. Me half a tree when we touch down. The one that name Gallop, Gallop, Gallop. Shoulda see them, I see them a gallop, Gallop, Gallop. Shoulda see the crew, them a gallop, Gallop, Gallop. Like young stallion a gallop, Gallop, Gallop. Alright, oh, ride me, I ride and galang. Van full of gal, me a pull side along. Side some girl, all a wine and galang. Me stop give the whole of them one and galang. Girl shoulda know so me mad and galang. Left shelly young with the rad and galang. Me love when the girl them scream and galang. Ball and a beg on them knees and galang, boy. Riding through the girl them sound me alone. Well bulletproof down on me pistol crown. And the girl there test me, she get shot down. Let it be no man and a clown, yeah. Meet me half a tree when we touch town. Alright then, gallop, gallop, gallop. Watch out them, I see them a gallop, gallop, gallop. Shoulda see them, I see them a gallop, gallop, gallop. Shoulda see the crew, them a gallop, gallop, gallop. No shoulda see when me a ride all day, ride all night. Fast and bicycle, fast and bike. Right through darkness, right through light. But girl, we put up some serious fight. Run through matey, run through white. Every girl want get a hold of me life. Feel so happy, feel so nice. Under me chalice and me Smirnoff Ice. Turn on jockey, turn off dress. Run fatty breathless more than twice. Another wanna come by the roll of the dice. Sharp like a guillotine, a slice me a slice, boy. Riding through the girl, them zone me alone. Well, bullet broke down and my pistol crown. And the girl there test me, she get showed down. And the girl let it be known, yeah. Me half a tree when we touch down. Now one of them gallop, 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 gallop. Should I see them, I see them a gallop, 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 gallop.
Yes, people, and this has been another episode of Diawarrior Music History Part 10. And I hope you wish you to subscribe and, turn on the notification bell and support the whole movement. So may I say, and you don't know, we have a lot of history where we are going to bring out and people can get to see the thing where used to happen back in the days, and, make it better. We always want to see it better, So, big up on yourself, people, and this has been another episode of Diawarrior Music History Part 10. Out. Big up yourself. And you don't know where to big up Pancho Khalifa. So may I say, and the man there help me do the video work same way, and a big artist where I come lock the place same way. So you don't know. Diawarrior Music History.